Hello, my name's Matthew Cobham. I'm the Global Cluster Manager for Culture at ERCO. And over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the new Eclipse range. 28,000 possibilities, which brings a lot of flexibility. As you can see here, we've got a display case with the famous ERCO 3,000-year-old papyrus. Being a display case, this is why we've used our smallest fixture. This Eclipse XS is on 48-volt track. That's useful for many reasons, for example, for energy conservation. But it's also useful from the fact in this application that we want to control the quantity of heat in the display case. So we've got, of course, the driver outside the case, and then it's possible to have up to 10 meters run of cable before you get to the track. So you might want to add a blue light filter to be able to cut out some of the shorter wavelengths, the bluer end of the spectrum, which will enable you, for example, to expose a delicate artwork, maybe a watercolor, for perhaps a longer period of time, or reduce the damage. That's your choice. Here you have 3000 Kelvin. You can see the light effect on the wall there. Here I have our blue light filter. I'm just going to put it on and you'll be able to see for yourselves what the difference is, in fact how little difference there is. So you can see this is the blue light filter. I'm just going to put that on now. And you can see that visually there is very, very little perceptible difference.